Welcome guys. If you want to get Bhangra Boogie Emote from the Fortnite on your OnePlus smartphone, I'm going to show you how we can get it. So let's open the browser for the first. Right now let's open the new card, tap on the search pool and type here OnePlus. Right now we are going to enter the official OnePlus website. And let's scroll down, tap right here. Scroll down one more time and click on the claim your emote. Click on it one more time. And right now we have to log in to our OnePlus account. If you don't have it, you can also use the Google or the Facebook account, or just sync up like that. And I'm going to input my data, so wait a little bit. Okay, and right now we have to input IMEI and the PCBA number of our smartphone. So I'm going to start with the IMEI number. And then just click on the PCBA pool and input the PCBA number right here. Do it slowly, don't make any mistakes. Okay, and right now just tap on the claim your emote. And that's it. As you can see, it's not going to work right now because I just used this code. Both of these codes, the IMEI and the PCBA number. But if yours wasn't, you will get this emote on your account. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!